Hey guys, so I'm starting with this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm using this white base just so the colors could stand out a little more. Making sure that it's well blended and then just going over with my sponge. Starting with this yellow shadow first and then just adding and blending as I go. Now moving on to this orange eyeshadow, and I'm just placing it a little over that yellow. And I'm making sure to blend in this color really good. So now I'm going to be adding this purple on top of that orange. I'm going to be cleaning that crease, and I'm using some Vaseline and a Q-tip. I'm reapplying that white base on my lid, and I'm making sure that it's nicely blended. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of that yellow eyeshadow on top. So I'm applying some of that purple shadow to the outer corner of my eye, and I'm blending it inwards, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to the inner corner of my eye. Adding some more of that yellow eyeshadow in the middle just because I want that yellow to be popping out. And then I'm just going to be blending this purple shadow. So I'm going back and forth with the orange and the yellow shadow and blending them. So once I'm done with the eyes and my face, I'm going to be using this beautiful highlighter here, and I'm going to be applying it on the inner tear duct. Look how pretty that is. I'm also going to be using this on the bridge of my nose. And I'm going in with a nude lip for this look today. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.